Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, November 18th, 2015. We're halfway through the week and heading towards the weekend. And as we head towards the weekend, we're going to be dealing with a little bit of rainfall, especially towards tomorrow afternoon and evening, where some heavy rainfall can be expected. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s, should I say, over the suburbs, and mid to upper 40s in your urban areas. Winds are from the southeast and east around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and they will be increasing throughout the day as high pressure exits and a cold front approaches the region. On our latest surface map, you can see that high pressure system is starting to exit. Notice how the isobars here are becoming much more tightly packed, and that basically is a sign that we're going to see an increase in winds as this high pressure system exits and this cold front approaches. With that cold front, there's quite a bit of rainfall associated with it from the Great Lakes all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, and this area of rainfall will march to the east and move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, with periods of moderate to heavy rainfall. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see plenty of lifting associated with this cold front as this upper level low over the plains lifts northeastward towards the St. Lawrence River Valley over the next 48 hours, forcing a cold front through the region and kicking off a much cooler regime heading into this weekend and into next week. So let's dive into the forecast. For today, high pressure will slowly give way. Look for variable to overcast cloud cover. Temperatures in the upper 50s along the coast, lower 60s just away from the coast in the Delaware River Valley. This evening, clouds will continue to increase. There could be an isolated shower over eastern Pennsylvania. Overnight tonight, those showers will approach the region. Again, an isolated shot of showers towards the morning hours, but the bulk of the rainfall will be moving through after the morning rush hour into the afternoon hours. Look for temperatures tomorrow morning in the lower to mid 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, that heavy rainfall will be moving through, with high temperatures in the lower to mid 60s along the coast and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley. Could even be an extremely isolated, elevated thunderstorm mixed in there as well, so we'll keep an eye on that. By Friday morning, the cold front exits. Rainfall will leave early Friday morning. By the time we get to the rush hour, look for clearing skies. For Friday, by the afternoon, look for a northwesterly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour with clearing skies and much cooler conditions. Lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s. So basically a return almost back to normal. For this weekend, high pressure will be in control for Saturday with clear skies and scattered cloud cover. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 30s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. On Sunday, a cold front will move through, mostly in the morning with a few scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the lower 40s. Then on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, high pressure is generally in control and excellent weather conditions the day before Thanksgiving when everyone's traveling. Look for low temperatures on Monday in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. Tuesday, look for lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s, and Wednesday, lows in the mid to upper 30s and highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.